Hi everyone! So I had a few requests after my previously posted Khadi Sketchbook review to show you what painting in my Khadi Sketchbook is like and how watercolor interacts with the paper. So this video will be something like a paint with me with some commentary. Okay, let's get started. Here I'm just starting off by sketching the building structure using a color pencil. Then just painting the sky with probably a cerulean blue. It's been a while since I painted this, so I'm sorry I don't remember exactly which colors I used. I took a bit of a break here because I got a phone call. And now getting back to painting the underpainting. Oh, here I'm lifting some of the green off because I don't want too much green up there. Should be some sky. On the far left there, you can see there's even a pool of water. I didn't dab that off or anything, so the paper does take water very well. And some paint sprinkling instead of spatter, just a little sprinkle. That's done with layer 1. I left it to dry completely, and now I'm going in with a fountain pen and waterproof ink. I'll speed this part up a little bit because it's not watercolor interacting with the paper, it's just laying on ink. Alright, painting on the second layer. I'm not using too much water here on the building structure, keeping it rather controlled. Here we are, I'm starting to paint the forest in the back, definitely being very liberal with the water and pigment. I'm just laying on various shades of green for the trees in the back. For reference, I'm using my Raphael Pure Squirrel mop brush, so it does hold a lot of water, and I was definitely being quite liberal. And some more sprinkling of paint. Lately I've been liking paint sprinkles. I don't know why, I'm just feeling it. Here I am going over the building structure for a third time. And that's it. Once it dried completely, I went back in to add some darks and highlights. And here's the finished product. Overall, the experience was just like how I would paint on any other watercolor paper. It takes water very well. It has decent sizing, but I think what it boils down to is that if you don't like the feel of the paper, then you might not like painting on it. Simple as that. Personally, if I can get this 150 GSM Khadi paper in a stitch-bound format with more pages, I'd be over the moon. It's definitely my favorite paper to paint on. Anyway, if you haven't seen my previous Khadi sketchbook video, do check it out for more info. I'll leave a link down below. And that's it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.